Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Motorola One Vision. In this video we are going to do the unboxing of the device. At the side you are getting that it is written 4GB 128GB variant. It is a sapphire gradient color and there is nothing on the side written, but the device comes with the IP52 rating, which is splash proof. Actually in the back it is given, it comes with the 48 megapixel at the back, 25 megapixel in the front, and it has 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with 21:9 aspect ratio. It has a 128GB internal storage. Now we will going to do the unboxing and see what are the box content and what Motorola is giving in Indian variant box. So here we still don't know the price of the device, and first we get the device here. It comes with the silicone back cover already. There is also Android One written once you start booting up the device. There is a small case in that you are getting a SIM card ejector tool, safety guide, and some more information including the warranty card. Now we have the charger. The adapter rating is 15 watt and this is a turbo charging adapter. Now lastly we have the type C cable support. So this is what we are getting. There is no earphone present in the box. Now I will just take out the silicone back cover because it is looking a little bit bulky while using. Here you can see the back looks pretty much beautiful. It is the sapphire gradient color, which is actually a blue one, and there is a bronze gradient. We haven't seen that is the another color. I have taken the screen guard from the device. On the side you can see the volume rocker key and the power button. At the back you can see 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. But there is a LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor on the Moto dimple. Android One is written at the back. On the top we are getting a 3.5mm port and also the noise cancellation mic. Going to the bottom side we are getting a noise cancellation mic again. There is a type C charging port and there are speaker grills. So this is what we are getting in the device. On the side we have a SIM card slot. Now I will just take out the SIM card slot so that you guys can check it out, that what is the slot here. So what we are getting is the hybrid SIM card slot. It comes with the 2 nano SIM card slot. At the same time you can use a 1 nano SIM card slot or with the expandable memory. The expandable memory of the device is 512GB. So this is what we are getting. In the front there is a 25 megapixel camera and it has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a aspect ratio of 21:9. It has a punch hole display camera in the front. Display definitely looks good here, but it has a different shape. It is a pretty much elongated device, not a square kind of device, because earlier whatever devices we have seen are is to 19:9 is the aspect ratio. It comes with the Dolby audio support in the device. The device, going to the settings, we will see the general settings of the device. The device comes with the display of 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 21:9 aspect ratio. The processor of the device is octa-core Exynos 9609, which is from Samsung. It has a 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage. It comes with the 3500 mAh battery, and the device comes with the camera at the back with 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, whereas the 5 megapixel is 1.7 aperture. For the Motorola devices, how can we forget the Motorola actions? So definitely the device comes with few of the Motorola actions. What are the actions you are getting? There is a quick capture. For quick capture you just have to twist your phone twice and you can capture from the device. Now secondary thing is the fast flashlight, so you just have to do the chop. Now one button navigation lets you to remove all the other navigating button in the bottom, and it will be a one navigation. So if you tap, you can go to the home. If you swipe to the left, you go back. If you swipe to the right, it will go to the previous app. If you swipe to the up, it will go to the recent app, and if you hold for some time, it will launch the assistant. So this is all what we are getting with the one button navigation. Now there is one more thing, Moto display. What we are getting in the Moto display, I will show you that also. And there is also 3-finger screenshot. So if you pull the 3 fingers on the screen, it will take the screenshot. Here you can see there is a peak display where you can block the apps and you can do multiple features. I'm not going into the detail. There is an attentive display also. When you are looking into the device, it will not get dim, I guess. We will not talk about this in detail right now. And going to the further ahead in the device, you are also getting the digital well-being, where you can check out which apps you have spent more time. In the system we have gesture. In the gesture we have the swipe fingerprint for notification. In this, if you put it on, you can just swipe on the fingerprint and all the notification bar will come down, and you can use it from the back side only. So which is a easy thing. There jump to camera. This will work when you press the power button twice. So this is also easy feature and a good feature if you want it. And going back again, there is a swipe up home button. If you swipe up the home button, it will take you to all the apps what we have, and you can switch it on if you want it. There is also prevent ringing on, so it is just the flip the phone. So this is what are the gestures what are coming with the device. Now going to the battery, it is coming with the 3500 milliampere battery here. In the settings now, I will show you a few more things like the connected devices. It have a NFC. I've already told you for the device. Now talking about the display. In the display we don't have a hide to notch, so you can't hide the notch or you can't hide the top panel, but there is definitely dark theme available for the device. So just I put the dark theme. It is not visible in every place, but here you can see the notification and those are in the dark mode. So dark mode is not completely rolled out here, but it works in few places. Now talking about the device, it has a fingerprint and face unlock at the same time. Now I will show you how it works. So now starting with the fingerprint sensor, here I'm just starting and going to the fingerprint sensor. How will you register or enroll the fingerprint? You just have to put the pattern. After putting the pattern, you have to tap it for few times, and it is very easy. It works very smoothly. There is no hiccup. It takes less than a minute to get it registered. Once it is registered, you can do the fingerprint unlock and you can register multiple fingerprints in the device. Now I will show you how to enroll your face for the face unlock, and if we'll go, you have to put the pattern or the pin code in the device which you are using as a primary one. It takes less than a minute to get it registered. Once it is done, then the face unlock will work, and definitely this will work on the every situation. We haven't tried and tested in the low light scenarios. Now talking about the camera, it comes with the SDR mode. There is a flash, there is a timer, there is active photo on, which will be like the motion camera or the live photos. There is also manual mode, and here you can see you can change the white balance, ISO, exposure. These are all in the manual setting. Now going to the auto settings, we have few more things. Portrait, there is a cutout. So what the cutout actually does, you can fill the background into your photo. So that is for the cutout. Here you can see you can take the picture of the face and then there is a cutout. Now there is a spot color. This is basically if you pick the color which is a green, yellow or something, it will come like color splash. So and that is how it will work. So currently it is not working. I haven't tried and tested in the different scenarios, but the spot color is basically you can spot the color and use that in your picture. There is a night vision, there is also cinematograph, there is a panorama mode, there is a lens filter. Now going to the settings, there is a photo mode. In the photo mode, actually the camera lens is 12 megapixel, but it will work on the quad pixel technology which we have seen in the Vivo phones earlier. You can shoot up to maximum 48 megapixel, what it is saying. Now talking about the rear camera, it can shoot 4K video. It has a OIS. It also comes with the shooting of full HD in 30 fps and 60 fps from the back. There is also HD recording you can do. There is a slow motion video which you can shoot from the rear camera with full HD and HD quality. Now talking about the front camera, you can shoot 25 megapixel quad pixel technology which will give you the best output rather compared to 25 megapixel normal camera which is 4:3. So I will recommend this one in the front camera for taking the pictures. Now talking about the video in the front camera, you can shoot 30 fps videos and it will be full HD and SD videos. Also slow motion is there in the front camera too. You can change the format of the photos into JPEG RAW or JPEG plus RAW. So this will if you put the RAW, it will be more in the size, so definitely your storage will get sooner filled. Here you have the watermark also. You can have the auto cameras, capture smile. There is smart composition which will actually work on the AI. You can also put the slow motion and you can put the video live. So these are what we are getting into the camera feature. Now coming to the front also, you can see there are few modes. You are getting the photo mode, video mode, and going to the other modes, these are the modes what you are getting. One different mode what you can notice is the group selfie. The group selfie is basically the front panorama what you can say. You have to just twist your phone and take the picture. So this is what we have seen in the previous generation of the Moto smartphone. But this is what we are getting in the camera feature. There is cinematograph, what I have said you, it is basically for taking the GIF. Coming to the device, there is the device comes with the stock Android. It also have the Google Lens inbuilt. So how the Google Lens will work, it will scan the text or the object and it will tell you where you can find the object or the piece. So it will actually a very useful or helpful thing. Here you can see I'm just putting it, it will try to recognize the object. Now skipping all those things, what I think for the price point of the device, it will going around 16 to 17,000, which will be aggressive. But we still don't know Moto what they will keep the price. It may go around 20,000 also. So this is what my price expectation. I still don't know the final price of Motorola One Vision. One more thing, talking about the software, it doesn't have any bloatware. It comes with the stock Android. The device has few good things. Here you can see the Moto actions are there. The device also comes with the Dolby audio. It has a IP52 rating, so which is actually a splash proof kind of rating. All about the unboxing of Motorola One Vision. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.